धावप जिवाक खूब बरें. दर वर्सा गोंयांत गोवा रिवर मॅरेथॉन जाता. गोंयकारांक मॅरेथॉनाची ओड लागची म्हूण वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लब वावुरता. कॅन्सरांतल्यान वाटावल्ल्या लोकांचे मुस्कान संस्थे बरोबर मेळून क्लबान गोवा पिंक रन दवरला. ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सरा विशीं जागृताय घडोवन हाडपाक ही मॅरेथॉन आयतारा सकाळीं मिरामार दर्यावेळेर जातली.
वास्को स्पोर्ट्स क्लब फाटल्या 3 वर्सां सावन गोवा रिवर मॅरेथॉन दवरता. ह्या वर्सा सावन क्लबान गोवा पिंक रन ह्या आनीक एका इव्हेंटाक सुरवात केल्या.
Starting point will be Miramar Beach. We have two categories over here, which is the 10-kilometer run, which will be in a form of a loop. We start at the Miramar Beach. We go towards the slope of Dona Paula. We don't climb the slope. We come back to Miramar Circle. Then we go towards Gala Academy and back. That forms a loop of 10 kilometers. That starts at 6:30 in the morning. The other event is the 5-kilometer walk. This is a walk. It's not a run walk.
कॅन्सर जाल्ल्यांक सामाजिक आदार लागता. असल्यो कार्यावळी तांकां आदार दिवंक बऱ्यो पडटात.
Most important objective being the psychosocial support towards cancer patients, creating awareness in nooks and corners of Goa.
कॅन्सरांतल्यान वाटावल्ले बबिता अगरवाल तिणे आपलो अनुभव सांगलो.
Though I come from an urban society and I'm a double gold medalist in science, but I completely ignored to educate myself on any types of cancer and to be very precise, breast cancer in general. And 2005, when the doctors told me that I have breast cancer, my life was just shattered. Though my body had been giving me signals off and on, but I never knew what they were. I just thought they were something common, like I never ever paid much attention to it. And when the doctors broke this news to me, I looked back and I started trying to remember what all had gone with me and what had happened to me. And it was then when I realized that had I been breast aware, I could at least have saved my breast.
मॅरेथॉनात गोंयकारांनी मोठे संख्येन वांटेकार जावचे, धावप सोडचे न्ही असो उलो आयोजकांनी मारला. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.